There's Iratay to put it in play right here, ladies and gentlemen. Philippine Army up by 8. Here in set number 3, they're also up 2 sets to nothing in this first game in the V-League Southeast Asian Club Invitational. As Team Malaysia able to score there, coming from Sok Ting Yu.
Well, Sok Ting Yu is really, you know, she looks promising for this Malaysian squad.
One of those quiet, efficient players, ano. Sort of reminds you of St. Belin's Katikwan.
Oh, yes.
Ganun yung dating niya. Dalia Cruz. It's her first time to see her in a long time. But another point here for Team Malaysia. As itong si Joan Bunag was just flat-footed as we take a look at it again.
Found the right spot there. Nobody home for Army.
Bunag, bad reception there. Here's Dalia Cruz tipping it over. They go the other way right now to Cho. Too near for Iratay. Still tried to save it, but it will be a double touch against Iratay. And Rico de Guzman does not want to take any chances right now. Tina Salak back in the game. Michelle Carolino, make that Mayat Carolino back in the game for Dalia Cruz. So kahit na ganito lang, kahit na lamang sila na malaki, Coach Rico de Guzman just wants to go for the kill.
Oh, that's right. You know, this is still an international competition. You don't want to give your opponent the opportunity to come back in this match.
And that's a very tall front line right now here for Team Malaysia. That's the tallest group right there, and that intimidates Michelle Carolino. She goes long. Gaba naman, it's Yu who stands about 5'9". Then you have Tan who's about 6 feet, and then their captain, ito si Jocelyn Cho, is about 6'1". That's their front line right now, itong kupunan ng Malaysia. And this is where they need to string up the points on the serve here of Lai Kwan Lim. Balse turned back there by the defense of Jocelyn Cho. You gotta remember, she is very tall with long arms, and you just can't do that. So look at this, tatlo na lang po ang abante rito ng Philippine Army, and this forces the hand of Rico de Guzman to call a timeout.
Rest natin yun. Alagaan natin yung tatlong lamang natin, huwag natin pabayaan, huwag natin padikitin. Isipan nyo lang na maganda at set tayo na maganda. Ha? Pabayaan nyo na nangyari kanina. Isa ulit tayo. Okay, let's go.
Malaysia is in the middle of a 10-3 run. The score earlier was 13-3.
Well, yeah, Malaysia stepping it up in terms of defense. We were talking about earlier during the first set, they were having a hard time in blocking.
Right.
Now they're actually out-blocking this Philippine Army squad.
And they have scored 5 straight points since the technical timeout, which is also alarming here for the Philippine Army. This tall front line continues to be a problem here for the Philippine Army, and that one just goes wide. Good idea there for Lai Kwan Lim.
That was a good timeout.
Oo. No, pero maganda rin yung idea niya. She attacked the line, just shanked it a little bit to the right. 17, 13. Wow, I see food. And the service by Mary Jean Balse goes into the net. So still a chance here for Team Malaysia to put it together. And I guarantee you, if they come back and win this third set, it's going to be a really exciting fourth set.
Oh, definitely.
Jocelyn Cho. Balse overcooks the reception. Here's Te.
Good dig.
Torres is there for the dig. Combination for Mayat Carolino.
Tina Salak at it again. Able to find that open spiker.
But still a precarious 4-point lead here for the Philippine Army.
Well, 4 points is not, yeah, you're right. No, that's not big if the momentum has shifted to Malaysia.
And they still have a pretty potent front line there. Dakis, Muhammad Hussein has actually played really well here in set number 3. And the attack goes out, but it is touched at the net here.
That's right, by Carolino, Mayat Carolino.
So 15 or 18 to 15, credit that point to Huey Hong Te. And now Chuli Tan. Bunag. Tan. Here's Lim on the back set now to you.
Oh, good thing.
Simple lang para dito kay Tina Salak. Bob Dakis lost control of where the ball was.
That's right, a mental breakdown there by Rachel Landakis.
18-16. Tandaan po natin, the score earlier was 13-3. Malaysia is on a major rally here. And that was taken back there by Mayat Carolino. Off of the shorter blocker, itong si Hui Hong Tae. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Mayet. Yu. Like Kwan Lim. Attacking that time was Tae.
Oh, good set.
Dakis, and Dakis is able to get the point on the check ball coming from Jocelyn Cho, who's now pleading her case there with referee Philip Season. Hindi daw niya natamaan yung bola.
Well, she has a point. It didn't look like she did.
I think she did.
She did. Kanya katangkad kasi.
Oo. Here's the combination now. Attacking that time was Wong. Their center. There's the back set now for you, and that one just landed at the back of Dakis. 2017.
That's right. You working hard for Malaysia. Simple lang, no?
Again, she's one of the younger players here. This girl is only 21 years old. Make that only 19 years old. Ito pong si Suk Ting Yu, born April 16, 1992.
Wow.
Makes Noreen feel even older now.
So much more volleyball years ahead.
Right. Great attack again by Mayet Carolino. As that attack now just gives the Philippine Army a 4-point lead. Joanne Bunag. Here's Cho. Like Kwan Lim. Attacking that time is Tae. Here's Salak now going to Dakis once again. Blocked that time by Wong. And from behind the attack line, nakita natin gaano kalaki. Ito si Jocelyn Cho. Here's Tae. Oh. Wong trying to drop it in. Salak trying to attack. Wong is there. Salak on the back set to Balse. Muhammad Hussein. Like Kwan Lim. Great blocker by Salak on the attack by Cho. Here's Yu. Tina Salak on the combination for Dakis.
Did you see how Tina Salak disguised her set?
Mukhang quick for Balse, no? Look at Balse already jump up for the quick right there. And Rachel Andak is completely unmarked. Timeout Malaysia, they're down by 5.
Keep it up, don't give up. Always on the move. Sentiasa untuk bergerak. Sebenarnya blocking one block. So the setter quite tricky. So you have to go all out. Okay. Anyway, as long as long rally, then.
So he continues to give instructions here as they are down by 5 right now. And look at that. The brain trust right there of the Shakey's B-League. Mr. Moing Marcelino, of course, the chairman. Vic Gregorio is there, of course, COO of Shakey's with Ricky Palou. Also there, the president of Sports Vision. They are taking in the action right here. And that was a very sumptuous dinner last night at the press conference. One that I will not forget soon. Even Mosi Ravena will probably say that.
Balita ko nga mag-badminton si Mosi.
She'd better play 6 hours at least sa kinain niya kagabi. Here's Tae. Oh, great attack there. Coming from Hui Hong Tae.
And that's not easy. That was through Balse and Salak.
Right.
Those are her blockers.
Down to 4 ang kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army. And again, you can sense that in the next game of Team Malaysia here, they're just going to be a better unit.
That's right.
Here's Dakis. Dakis goes wide.
You can actually see it right now. Set per set.
Yeah. You increase ng puntos nila eh. From 14 to 18, now 19. Hindi pa tapos itong ating third set.
Well, in fairness also to the libero, Mohammed.
She's played really well here, huh? In set number 3.
Nung first set, talagang they were attacking her. But
Pati second set. Uh-oh. Salak and Torres got their signals mixed up that time. So another error here for the Philippine Army, and they are only ahead by 2. Corporal Rico de Guzman has a major headache.
Dalawang strike ano, di ba? Dalawang strike ano. Pwede ka.
Pa-serve na siya. Ma-break natin ito, pa-serve na si Rachel. Katabi ko si Kiki.
Dalawa lang sa ganun.
Dalawa lang.
Sige, ano na. Pabukan mo na dito.
Hey, sir!
Marisa Bautista's got a number 13 in her hand, but I don't know if that. I think that substitution will be delayed. Dak is still in the front line right here. So it's now going to be a question of character here. Para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito, if Malaysia can just hold on and string things together to force a fourth set. Patricio Shatan-Torres there. Balse getting it cross-court.
Experience, really. Mary Jean Balse is showing that she's a mature player,
Right.
unfazed by the score.
23-20. A good idea na rin na hindi mo napalitan si Dakis kasi siya yung next na magsiserve.
That's right.
Too much batteries on the remote control that time. Well, Dakis not really having a good service game here. And a substitution, our first look here at Wan Jin Lo, who looks like that's a very tall serve specialist, if you ask me. Coming in for Malaysia. Looks like she stands about 6 feet tall also.
I wonder what's the average height of this Malaysian squad.
Not as tall as the Vietnamese squad. I'll tell you
I
that
got it.
right now. That is a very tall squad. Carolino. Here's Salak on the attack. Great read that time by Julie Tan. Jocelyn Cho. Salak going to Michelle out of position. Dropping it in.
Well, we needed that, and we now have match point.
24-21. Ginawa mo na talaga Philippine team to. We needed that. 20. Na-carry
Oo nga,
away na
no?
si Norin. Philippine Army po. Kalaban ng Malaysia. So here is match point. Okay. Jocelyn Cho denied. And that will do it. Mary Jean Balse's block will end hostilities here, but I like what I've seen from the Malaysian team in the third set. Looks like they're going to be just a better team as the tournament goes along here, Noreen.
That's right, but hats off to Philippine Army. Even though they were challenged, even at the end of the second set and the third set, they still kept their composure.
Right. Let's take a look at our V-League winning play right here. Sa patangkaran. Yan, hindi po magpapatalo. Ito si Michelle Carolino pala nakakuha ng block na yon against the tallest player of Malaysia, Jocelyn Cho.